Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix alarm no sound in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, turn off silence alarms. Open clock, click on three dots more option, click on settings. Here you will see silence alarm when system sound is off. Now turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off silence alarm from your phone. Now go back. After that, allow alarms. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search clock, click on clock, click on notification. Here you will see allow notification and sound and vibration option. And if you want to turn on allow notification, then turn on this button. And if you want to turn off, then turn off this button. By this button, you can turn on or turn off notification from your phone. Now turn on sound and vibration. Turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on sound and vibration. Now go back. After that, clear app data and cache. Open settings, scroll down, click on app, search clock, click on clock, scroll down, click on storage. Here you will see clear cache and clear data. And if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. And if you want to clear data, then click on clear data. Now go back. After that, software update. Again, open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix alarm no sound in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.